Stream, stream, baby, stream, stream, baby.
For so long, I was living my life.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a new day. This is Nelly Gouts. Oh God, our neighbors are talking to my father. Can they allow me to be great? They cannot allow me to be great in this village. Earlier, they're going to the stream. I'm going with my sisters. I'm going to come bring my cousins as well. And my other cousin, 2 cousins. And then we're going to go to the stream because I've been dreaming of going to the stream for a very long time. And yeah, we are going now. But this will just delay me. They are just delaying my life here. The house is very nice. Thank you. In case of one, I got one as well.
What's the job?
I didn't stream now. Yes. I want stream. Oh, and baby girl, baby girl, baby girl, baby girl. You're going to go to stream with us. Do you know if we look like sisters? Wowza.
I don't know sisters. That's sisters.
Yeah, I mean like with the baby. Can't you see what I'm seeing? They look like they are sisters. A lot of compound. They compound like all the very big. Ha, auntie's house is so nice. Like, look at house now. So any enjoyment. This is we have one Christmas. We have one Christmas. Shady, how far now? Okay, now what, Tani? Sorry, I really wanna woke you up with the noise. Sorry, oh. We're sorry, oh. Yeah, so we have to go because 4 years away before he hit maybe. I mean, I want Shaba. But I had 1 million.
Steps to the call, just give me the can call. I can get 2 options. Get step I the more fun, Monaga.
Can you step with the more fun?
Step about the much. And that one people when can have because all the very good for drinking.
Something man I can't get about.
People are there, I got up.
Yeah, what them.
So we can I have just few people like 3 or 4 people there.
I am
spring water. What's the name about?
Kagan and Kabiko. Red. Slay baby girl. Yes, baby girl. Baby boy. Baby. You are going to have fun that side. We are them now. Eh? Like I can't buy a milli. Like just the hell those things, but then that's not a marriage forever, so we cannot enter because don't know. Are you sure you're okay? Yes. We're gonna meet him. Baby girl, this girl is so cute for me. And that's actually there. I'm saying she's there again. What about and I'm in Julia. Finally, I'm in this stream. I'm so happy. Guys, look at this stream. It's so slopey. We are scared that if I fall, we're not falling. Adventure begins. Adventure Chinelo. I know that. She don't have to. Sorry. Okay, since your adventure, make any adventure. No, but it's not hard though. You can grip now. See. Look at this. You can even hear the sound of you cannot stay here. 1 1 Are you scared? We have already reached now. Look now, we're already here. It's not scary like that. Guys, it's scary. She wants to cry, but she's happy. She's liking the water. Baby girl for life. Baby girl for life. Spring, yeah. Oh my God! Yes, you already. That I came. Easy luck because the last time I came to this stream was like I've been at the river. It's when I was small, like when we were small, we used to come to the river. But when we now grew up, like maybe like secondary school, those kind of things, when we come to the river again, so like I'm so happy that I came. I'm so happy, guys. She was like, oh my God, guys, even me, I'm tired. The road is so like hilly. You're tired? Sorry, miss Edema. Like this hill. It's crazy, man. But then, please, she's happy for this thing. She wants to go. See her happy. She is smiling. She wants to go. Look at her now, she wants to go. Look at her, she's smiling. Why not that mommy afia? Like why afia? Not that mommy. Eh?
Oh, wait, job. We open the way to George. Just shake chucking higher. She doesn't want to go home.
Stream, stream, baby, stream, stream, baby, stream, stream, baby. She's so happy that she wants to stream. Baby girl for life. I hope you guys enjoyed this stream video. Guys, I've come to the end of this video. I don't know, I think we might go for the second one. If we don't go, it means I will end this video here. But if we go, of course I'll add that clip as well. Yeah, so guys, please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, leave a comment if you had fun like me, because I really enjoyed going to this. Oh God, this malt I drank is giving me this thing. I really enjoyed coming to the stream with all my cousins and my niece. Oh, I wonder where Ebuzanaga, this pedestrian way, I wonder where it's leading to. Yes guys, we are out from the stream. I hope we'll go to a different stream again. I just hope. Or we are going home.